The Supper Club, a true American original. These establishments have been a cornerstone of Midwestern culture for decades, offering a unique blend of dining, socializing, and entertainment that you won't find anywhere else. Nowhere else in the country will you find this unique dining experience so deeply rooted as in the upper Midwest. Here, supper clubs are more than just places to eat. They are community hubs where people come together to share stories, celebrate milestones, and create lasting memories. From Wisconsin's Northwoods to the shores of Lake Minnetonka, supper clubs are more than just restaurants. They are cherished institutions. Each supper club has its own unique charm and character, often reflecting the local culture and history of the area. Whether it's a rustic lodge in the woods or a sleek, modern venue by the lake, these establishments offer a dining experience like no other. They are places where generations gather to celebrate, to unwind, and to savor a taste of tradition. Families come together to enjoy hearty meals, friends meet up for a night out, and couples find a romantic setting for a special evening. The sense of community and togetherness is palpable, making every visit to a supper club a memorable experience. Supper clubs offer a complete evening out. You go for cocktails, a leisurely dinner, and maybe even dancing or live music. The atmosphere is key. The evening often starts at the bar, where skilled bartenders mix up classic cocktails and local favorites. The dining experience is unhurried, allowing guests to savor each course and enjoy the company of their dining companions, and maybe even dancing or live music. The atmosphere is key. Many supper clubs feature live bands or DJs, providing the perfect soundtrack for a night of dancing and fun. The music ranges from classic tunes to contemporary hits, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy. It's warm, inviting, and always a little bit nostalgic. The decor often includes vintage touches and memorabilia, creating a cozy and welcoming environment. Soft lighting and comfortable seating add to the ambiance, making it easy to relax and enjoy the evening. Whether you're a regular or a first-time visitor, the charm and hospitality of a supper club are sure to leave a lasting impression. The roots of the supper club can be traced back to the tumultuous years of Prohibition. This era, spanning from 1920 to 1933, was marked by the nationwide constitutional ban on the production, importation, transportation, and sale of alcoholic beverages. It was a time of great social upheaval and change, where the American public had to find creative ways to circumvent the law. With the sale of alcohol outlawed, clandestine establishments known as speakeasies sprang up across the country. These hidden bars became the heart of social life for many, offering a secret haven where people could gather, drink, and enjoy live music. The allure of these forbidden venues was irresistible, drawing in patrons from all walks of life. The upper Midwest was no exception. In fact, the region became a hotbed for these covert operations. Small towns and rural areas with their vast landscapes and secluded spots provided the perfect cover for these illicit activities. The local communities, often tight-knit and supportive, played a crucial role in the success of these speakeasies. These early versions of the supper club provided a place to enjoy illegal libations and a good meal. Patrons would gather in these dimly lit rooms, savoring the thrill of defying the law while indulging in hearty meals and strong drinks. The atmosphere was one of camaraderie and rebellion, a stark contrast to the outside world where prohibition laws reigned supreme. They were often located in rural areas, hidden away from the prying eyes of the law. These remote locations not only provided safety from raids, but also added to the mystique and allure of the speakeasy experience. Patrons would often travel long distances, navigating through dense woods or isolated backroads to reach these hidden gems. As Prohibition came to an end, these speakeasies transitioned into legitimate businesses. The end of the ban on alcohol in 1933 marked a new beginning for many of these establishments. They evolved into supper clubs, maintaining their reputation for good food and drink, but now operating within the bounds of the law. This transition was not just a change in legality, but also a shift in culture, as these venues became more family-friendly and community-oriented, laying the foundation for the supper clubs we know today. The post-war era saw the supper club truly come into its own. The American economy was booming, and families had more disposable income than ever before. Dining out became a popular form of entertainment. Supper clubs were perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. They offered a touch of elegance and sophistication that was a step above the average diner or drive-in. They became the place to be seen for birthdays, anniversaries, and romantic evenings out. Stepping into a supper club is like stepping back in time. The ambiance is warm and inviting, often with dim lighting, cozy booths, and a crackling fireplace. The dress code is typically casual but neat. The service is another hallmark of the supper club experience. Servers are friendly and attentive, often knowing regulars by name. They'll guide you through the menu, offering recommendations and ensuring that your every need is met. Section 5. The Classic Supper Club Menu. The menu at a supper club is a testament to classic American cuisine. Expect to find hearty portions of prime rib, steaks, seafood, and traditional dishes like chicken Kiev and liver and onions. The emphasis is on quality ingredients and time-honored recipes. Don't be surprised to find dishes finished with a generous pat of butter or a drizzle of cream. This is stick-to-your-ribs fare that's meant to be savored. Section 6. Relish trays and lazy Susans. Before your meal arrives, you'll likely be greeted with a relish tray. This iconic starter typically includes a selection of fresh vegetables, olives, cheese, and crackers. Another supper club staple is the lazy Susan. This rotating tray, often found in the center of the table, is laden with side dishes like mashed potatoes, gravy, and creamed corn, allowing guests to easily serve themselves. Section 7. The Supper Club Cocktail Culture. No supper club experience is complete without a cocktail. These establishments are known for their classic cocktails, often prepared with a generous hand. The old-fashioned, a Wisconsin favorite, is practically a religion in supper clubs. You'll also find Manhattans, martinis, and brandy Alexanders on most menus. Section 8. Iconic Supper Clubs of Wisconsin. Wisconsin is often considered the heartland of supper clubs. From the legendary 5 O'Clock Club in Milwaukee to the Ishnala Supper Club perched above Mirror Lake, Wisconsin boasts a treasure trove of these iconic establishments. The 5 O'Clock Club is renowned for its prime rib and its classic supper club ambiance. Ishnala, with its stunning views and Northwoods charm, offers a truly unforgettable dining experience. Section 9. Minnesota's Supper Club Gems. Minnesota is no slouch when it comes to supper clubs. From the nostalgic charm of Nye's Polonaise Room in Minneapolis to the lakeside elegance of Lord Fletcher's on Lake Minnetonka, Minnesota offers its own unique take on the supper club tradition. Nye's, with its live piano music and Polish-inspired cuisine, is a true Minneapolis institution. Lord Fletcher's, with its sprawling patio overlooking the lake, is the perfect spot for a summer evening. Section 10. Supper Clubs, a timeless tradition. In an era of fast food and fast casual dining, supper clubs offer a welcome respite. They remind us to slow down, to savor a good meal, and to appreciate the company of friends and family. The supper club experience is about more than just the food. It's about the ambiance, the service, and the traditions that have been passed down through generations. Section 11. Keeping the spirit alive. While some supper clubs have sadly closed their doors in recent years, many continue to thrive. These establishments, once the heart of social gatherings, have faced numerous challenges, from economic downturns to changing dining trends. Yet their resilience is a testament to their enduring appeal. A new generation of restaurateurs is even embracing the supper club concept, recognizing its unique charm and potential. These young visionaries are not just preserving a tradition, they are revitalizing it, infusing it with fresh ideas and contemporary twists. By putting their own modern spin on this cherished tradition, they are creating spaces that honor the past while appealing to today's diners. This blend of old and new creates a dining experience that is both nostalgic and innovative. So, the next time you're looking for a unique and memorable dining experience, consider seeking out a supper club. These venues offer more than just a meal. They provide a sense of community and a connection to a bygone era. Seek out a supper club. You'll find yourself in a place where the ambiance is as important as the food, where every detail is designed to transport you back to a simpler time. You'll be transported back to a simpler time when life moved a little slower. In these settings, the hustle and bustle of modern life fades away, replaced by a sense of calm and relaxation. When life moved a little slower and people took the time to enjoy the simple pleasures. A visit to a supper club is a reminder of the importance of slowing down and savoring the moment. And a good meal was something to be savored. Here, the focus is on quality ingredients, expertly prepared dishes, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. It's an experience that nourishes both the body and the soul.